And President Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship is already facing legal challenges. Just hours ago, 18 states and 2 cities filed a lawsuit to stop that order. The American Civil Liberties Unions filed a separate lawsuit last night. Joining us now, Connecticut Attorney General William Tong. His state is one in the group suing over the new executive order. Attorney General, thanks for being with us. I do want to just jump in here. We know birthright citizenship is enshrined in the U.S. Constitution, and we also know that it can really only be removed by an act of Congress. It is a right. So why choose to file this suit?
Not an act of Congress, by a constitutional amendment. It cannot be changed or amended or otherwise canceled or eliminated because it says so right here. This is my copy of the Constitution that I keep at my desk, and the 14th Amendment is clear. It's a fundamental right. If you're born on American soil or subject to the jurisdiction of the United States, you're an American citizen, period. And that's why I'm an American citizen. Both of my parents were immigrants. They were not citizens when I was born. I'm a citizen by right of my birth in Hartford, Connecticut.
Attorney General, I do want to point out in a press conference after the election, you reiterated your pledge to act as a bit of a what you called a legal firewall against President Trump. And some may see this action by you and 18 states as a largely symbolic one, a political move. So I wonder, is there any middle ground here, any room for reform around the issue of birthright citizenship?
So number one, no, because it's clear the 14th Amendment guarantees birthright citizenship to children born on American soil, no matter the immigration status of their parents. This isn't a partisan move any more than the president's actions are partisan and directed at the 7,400 children that are going to be born in Connecticut this year. I mean, what happens to them? What happens to their families if they have no status, if they're effectively stateless? Will they be able to get health care? What if they get sick? Will they be able to go to the hospital? Will they be able to go to school when they get older? What if someone in their family has a problem? They got to call 911. Will they put their families at risk if they do that?
Yeah.
So the chaos that this imposes on Connecticut families is real. It's not symbolic. This is real life.
And Attorney General, you've talked about how it's real life for you, right? This is personal for you. You are a birthright citizen. And some critics say this is a form of birth tourism. I wonder, to you, ultimately, what do you hope this lawsuit accomplishes, and what do you hope to see?
I just hope that the American people and their constitutional rights are honored and protected, and that this war on the American people that the president has declared, I mean, that's nothing short of a war on the American people, because so many of us share this story. So many of us are the children or grandchildren of immigrants. So many of us have citizenship by right of our birth. So many of us are part of households that include immigrants. And by the way, immigrant households are households that generally have mixed status. There are citizens, there are non-citizens, there are people on temporary status. Sometimes they're undocumented people. So really, this is an attack on all of us and all of our families. And I just want it to stop. I want a federal court to say the Constitution means what it says, and it says what it means. The 14th Amendment, that we ensure that everybody born on American soil is a citizen, and that they have the same rights and opportunities that I have had.
All right, Connecticut Attorney General William Tong, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.